Hey Siri, ndifuna laa ngoma ithi Umenji da Judy Jizamza ngoJuly awutangu zobuya Ngomenji la Judy Jizamza. That's not even how that song goes, so shut up. Shut up! You're a bad boy. You're really a bad boy. How do you feel that this is my last month at Kuzokanya Secondary School? Huh? Uthini? Ngiba umonth negama lesikolo. Yabuza uba uziva njani since inyanga yakhe yokugqibela le lapha. Awu, hamba Mr. Tyler. Hamba Mr. Tyler. Well, to see, before your last goodbyes, can I see your homeworks, classworks, and activities, for example, in your life orientation books? Bozo, sneaky homework kodwa hamba madam kanjani right now? Ngilithini na wena? Kuthi wafeza zonke homeworks ne-classwork ebesizingikiwe ze-LO. Zonke. Like zonke. Like all. Yes, all of them. You think I'm here to play? All of them. Specifically, singabi kanene nezi homework from term 1 to term 2. See 32. 30 ntoni? Ayisoze ayikho loo nto kaphinde ubani mfana. Kaphinde ubani ayikho loo nto leqinisile ngikhuluma iqiniso ngasineze. 30 something. Anelisa ukhulume nawe mfowethu wangapi lama homework? Hayibo si 35 homework wena. Si 35. Asikho isidingo sokuthi unyuse iphini. Asikho isidingo sokuthi unyuse iphini. Awu. 12C, you're wasting my time. You're really wasting my time. Hi miss, they didn't want to show their life orientation books. Can you come to 12C to solve the matter? Right now, yes, right now. That can wait. That can wait.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm waiting, 12C. Then you see again go Anelisa ungathi bazi 35 homeworks. Nexesha lenu, nexesha lokuxelelana nani ba homework izingaphi? Hayi man. That's a mna ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, ma'am, but I'm still 3 homeworks. I still need to do 3 homeworks. No problem, boy. No problem. You don't know that it was what is it that cannot wait? Yes. Ma'am? Jongan, mameleni apha 12C. The markisa the accounting benefit. So you're only short by 60 homeworks. The accounting benefit is about paper one. So that's going to disappoint me in 12C. Can you push a lens and also point? Concerning what? Veza lilitha ulinde veza lencwadi. Shini sobe silindene nawe lapha ngoku. Veza incwadi, veza. Yo, lona madam na. Yo, hayi nqaphile ihlazo madam. Intona lento esenzelwayo na. Yo, iyana le miqozo kweloqala lakho na. Yegazi yamanzi na madam. Kaloku manhlanje lulwe madam. La madam manduwa, ihlazo madam. Ihlazo litheni na wena? Anaxesha la hlazo ngakaveza incwadi. Ngixelela ngamahlazo apha. Veza incwadi lilitha nzonke. Lingakabi nomsindo, lingabe yenye into. First what? Like made iminxeko yayazi jo ngexasithethe inyani man. Cingele into ngani yabona ngoJuli ngoku siyabhala ilandi exams. So sayithatha ixesha lokubhala homeworks madam. Yewethu andiyiva le excuse yakho. Udala nanika homeworks delete. January, February, March, April, May. Udala ninikwa homeworks. Kufunwa zona ke ngoku. Tell wenze excuse njenge exams kaJune esifika ngoku. Ekho lonto mathi aveze incwadi. Silibazisa apha. Shini yazi create a story. Soba kuyabhala ngoku. Homeworks kudala nazinika. Veza. Ungajongi kakhulu nawe suphequlula amaphepha. Mthemo. Lilitha, only 2. Hayi 2. Chini sawugqiba uyanyuba. Kunesibindi sokunyuba. Hayi ingxaki medimbe chilo lento lihlazo. So yeah. Kimsele ngale ncwadi. Throw it to his face. No, Lilith. No, I can't. I don't want to go back to Canada with injuries because he can attack me at any time. Man, ulihlazo nyani Lilith. Ulihlazo nyani. Ubungaxoki. Kuzo zonke ezi homework zi-35 when une-2 only. Ungenzela izo homework nazo zi-2 bhalwe idate qha ngoba yashiya. Uthanda ulibele uba uka-grade 12 wena.